If you're overwhelmed by Copilot, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll break down Copilot, making it easy for you to understand. We will look at Microsoft 365 Copilot, Dynamics 365 and Power Platform Copilot, and Copilot Studio. There's so much information out there, so I'll provide you with a few places to go to start learning about each one. Let's get started. Let's start off with getting on the same page with a few definitions. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence that involves the use of algorithms to generate new data from existing data. It can be used to create new content such as text, images, and music that is similar to human-created content. Large language models, LLM, a type of generative AI that specializes in the generation of text. ChatGPT, a large language model created by OpenAI trained on massive amounts of data. ChatGPT 3.5 is based on data from the internet from September 2021. ChatGPT 4.0 is based on live data from the internet. Azure OpenAI, Microsoft's instance of ChatGPT, as well as other generative AI models used for image creation, text generation, and code generation. Copilot for Microsoft 365, a set of functionality where Microsoft applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and a few others use natural language along with Azure OpenAI to create content or provide assistance with information from within Microsoft 365, such as summarize emails, summarize meetings, and find content. Copilot for Dynamics 365, an AI assistant that boosts productivity and efficiency across sales, support, supply chain management, finance, marketing, and other business operations. It provides a chat interface for quick summaries and updates and utilizes its generative AI capabilities for tasks like record summarization and email content generation. Copilot uses AI to improve productivity and change the way you do work, so you can focus on your time and energy on what matters most. Microsoft has the largest market share of AI productivity tools compared to Google, IBM, and others. Let's start with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Once you have a Copilot license in Microsoft 365 and it is enabled in your environment, you will have access to Copilot in each of your Microsoft 365 apps, including Teams, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, Loop, and Whiteboard. Check out these videos I did covering off how you can use Copilot in Microsoft Word, Outlook, Teams, and Excel. You'll see how to draft emails with Copilot, catch up on what you missed during a Teams call, create slides from documents in OneDrive. In addition, you can use Copilot to ask questions about your data in OneDrive, such as give me key points from a file or help me prepare for a meeting. Built with security in mind, protecting your tenant, group, and individual data. Copilot will not use your data to train the LLM. It only uses data you have access to. You'll get the best from Copilot by understanding how to write good prompts. The prompt is simply the input you give to generate a response. Click this video in the top right to see a video I made on writing better prompts. On this Copilot Lab page, you'll be able to see the different prompts that you can try throughout Microsoft 365. You can select here the different app you want to use, what task you're looking for, and the job type. And here you'll get a list of different prompts that you can try, such as give me ideas for ways to improve productivity, draft an email, write an email to invite parents to the PTA cake sale, create a plan. Help me plan my career growth as a lawyer, including goals and key. This is a great place to start in terms of understanding prompts, how you can write them, and how Copilot will respond to them. Definitely check this out. In this Copilot Lab site, you'll be able to find everything you need, from starting your Copilot journey, what you can do with Copilot, how to start using it, and what is a prompt. Here you can see all of the different apps that Copilot is available for. more useful options of the different prompts, tips and tricks on the art of prompting, and more information around Copilot. Regardless of where you are in your Copilot journey, you'll find a lot of useful resources at this website, Microsoft Adoption. This is Microsoft's adoption site and gives you everything you need to help you get all the information you need to get started. And if you're a technology leader in your organization, then explore this success kit. There's lots and lots of useful information in here, and it's quite overwhelming to begin with, but if you start working through this, it's going to help you understand exactly what needs to be done to ensure successful adoption in your organization. Whether you're in a leadership role, a user role, or technical role, you'll find everything here ready to get you prepared for Copilot. And the last thing I want to share with you is the Microsoft Learn AI Learning Hub. This is Microsoft Learn's AI Learning Hub. You'll find everything you need in here to learn about Copilot and AI. And it's a fantastic resource to start learning. And here you can see all the different collections of learning paths that you'll be able to look at. Copilot in Dynamics 365. Now let's take a look at Copilot in Dynamics 365. There are a number of Copilots that can now be enabled, license depending, in Dynamics 365 model-driven apps, including Field Service, Sales, Customer Insights, Customer Service, Supply Chain, Operations, and Finance. I created a video earlier in the year which goes through some of the Copilot features in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement, and you can check this out here in full. But to provide a summary, these are Copilots built into specific model-driven apps that work with your business data and streamline work for your business users. Power Platform also has a Copilot for helping to build Power Apps. Power Automate also has a Copilot, which I think is really fantastic and one that seems really useful and stable in real-world scenarios, allowing you to build Power Automate flows as well as understand what they're doing and how to build them. Check out this video here. And there's even a Copilot for Power Pages, but I'm not a huge fan of this, and I think it's got a long way to go before it can be used in the real world. Finally, let's look at Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is all that Microsoft can talk about right now. So what actually is it? It's a graphical low-code tool for creating and maintaining Copilots and is part of the Power Platform. You can easily create Copilots in Copilot Studio without the need for data scientists or developers. Some of the ways you might use Copilots include sales help and support issues, opening hours and store information, common employee questions for businesses. Here are some useful resources for you to start learning. Here's the Copilot Studio UI once you've logged into it with a free trial. To get a free trial, you can go to aka.ms/trycopilotstudio. You'll be taken to this screen, and from here you'll be able to sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll be logged in and you'll be able to start using Copilot Studio. You can also go to aka.ms/copilotstudio, which will take you to this page. From here you can have a look at a demo, you can also sign up, and you can go through some of the different capabilities and information that Microsoft have put together to provide you with more information. If you go to aka.ms/copilotstudio demo, you don't actually need to sign up, but you can still use this and check out how it works. You can go to aka.ms/copilotstudio sizzle for their sizzle video on YouTube. can go to aka.ms/Copilot Studio Docs, and that'll take you to their documentation page, and it'll give you all the documentation you need to look into Copilot Studio. And then obviously one of my favorites, learn.microsoft.com/AI for their AI Learning Hub. And here you'll be able to find specific learning paths for Copilot Studio. One here for Create Copilots for Microsoft Copilot Studio Learning Path, and another one here for Copilot Foundations Learning Path. And they're both excellent learning paths to go through and get started with learning Copilot and AI. I'll put a link in the description of the video for all of these sites so you can easily get started. I hope you found this video useful. Good luck with your learning journey. Good luck getting to grips with Copilot Studio. Enjoy building your Copilots. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.